good morning to all. I am Reshma, Professor of Physics, SN Polytechnic College, Kalingat, Kerala, India. The topic of my presentation is an alternate form of Wien's displacement law. So now let us have an introduction. A black body is a cavity of a material that emits and absorbs all type of thermal radiations. A cavity can be imagined to be filled with a gas of identical and indistinguishable quanta called photons. The spectral distribution of the radiation is continuous and has a maximum which depends on the temperature. Max Planck, 1858 to 1947. A German physicist, Max Planck, discovered the quantized nature of energy and introduced the concept of quantum of action, now called as the Planck's constant. Planck's theory of blackbody radiation. In 1900, it was Planck who developed a theory of blackbody radiation. The spectral energy distribution or density of the blackbody distribution in terms of the wavelength is given as u lambda d lambda is minus 8 by hc divided by lambda raised to 5, 1 by e raised to hc by lambda kt minus 1 d lambda. Here we have the Planck's model, a graphical perspective. So we have plotted a graph based on wavelength and intensity. And we see that here between the short and the long wavelengths, the product of the transition of the probability of transition and the energy, decreasing energy per transition results in the maximum of the intensity. Wien's displacement law. The peak of the wavelength distribution shifts the shorter wavelengths as temperature decreases. The Wien displacement law gives the maximum of the spectral distribution as a function of temperature. We usually obtain starting from energy density distribution, and the expression is as written in the terms of wavelength as lambda maximum is hc by 4.965 k into 1 by t, and we get lambda maximum into t is equal to 2.899 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter Kelvin. And in terms of frequency, we write nu maximum is 2.822 k divided by h into t. An alternate form of Wien's displacement law. A number of physical processes and phenomena are dependent on the photon nature of electromagnetic radiation. Here, we obtain a new form of Wien's displacement law starting from the number density of photons. The spectral density of photon flux in terms of the wavelength lambda is as obtained as n lambda d lambda is minus 8 pi divided by lambda raised to 4 into 1 by e raised to hc by lambda kt minus 1 d lambda. And in terms of frequency, we write it as n nu d nu is 8 by nu square divided by c cube into 1 by e raised to h nu by lambda kt minus 1 d nu. When lambda is lambda maximum, dn lambda divided by d lambda is 0, and hence the wavelength, we write lambda maximum is hc by 3.9204 k into 1 by t, and lambda maximum into t is obtained as 3.676 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter Kelvin. And in terms of frequency, we write nu m is 1.5963 k divided by h into t. So here are my inferences. That is the blackbody radiation laws, namely the Planck and the Wien displacement in terms of the photon flux as functions of wavelength and frequency have been obtained. Wien's displacement law, which derived based on the number density of photons, is found to be more accurate. Photon number detectors are available where we can have exact wavelength measurement, and also hence the temperature measurement can be more precise. These are my references. Thank you.